Welcome to the Little Cosmic Channel. This is a peaceful space where you can relax your mind, reconnect with your inner self. Through affirmations and gentle meditation, we create moments of calm, clarity, and spiritual balance. Take this time for yourself. Let go of stress, quiet your thoughts, and allow your mind to rest. Now find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes if you'd like. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let your body relax. Take another deep breath in and gently breathe out. Allow the tension in your shoulders to melt away. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your arms and your entire body. With every breath, your body becomes calmer. Your mind becomes quieter. You are safe in this moment. Now gently listen to these affirmations. Allow them to flow through your mind. I am calm and peaceful. I am calm and peaceful. Peace flows through every part of my body. Peace flows through every part of my body. My mind is quiet and relaxed. My mind is quiet and relaxed. I release all stress and welcome serenity. I release all stress and welcome serenity. I allow peace to guide my thoughts. I allow peace to guide my thoughts. My heart is filled with calm energy. My heart is filled with calm energy. Every breath brings me deeper relaxation. Every breath brings me deeper relaxation. I am safe. I am safe. I am protected. I am protected. I am surrounded by peaceful energy. I am surrounded by peaceful energy. I deeply love and accept myself. I deeply love and accept myself. I am worthy of kindness and compassion. I am worthy of kindness and compassion. Every day I grow stronger and wiser. Every day I grow stronger and wiser. My soul is strong and beautiful. My soul is strong and beautiful. I treat myself with patience and understanding. I treat myself with patience and understanding. I honor the person I am becoming. I honor the person I am becoming. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I deserve peace. I deserve peace. I deserve happiness. I deserve happiness. I give love freely. I give love freely. I receive love openly. I receive love openly. Love surrounds me everywhere I go. Love surrounds me everywhere I go. My heart radiates kindness and warmth. My heart radiates kindness and warmth. My life is filled with meaningful connections. My life is filled with meaningful connections. My life is filled with blessings. My life is filled with blessings. I appreciate the beauty of life. I appreciate the beauty of life. My life is a gift. My life is a gift. The universe supports my journey. The universe supports my journey. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for this moment. My heart is full of gratitude. My heart is full of gratitude. I trust the journey of my life. I trust the journey of my life. Take another slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Allow these affirmations to settle deep within your mind. Feel the calm energy within you. Feel the peace surrounding you. You are supported. You are guided. You are safe. Take this peaceful energy with you as you continue your day or drift into restful sleep. Thank you for joining the Little Cosmic Channel. May your mind be calm, your heart be peaceful, and your life be filled with light.